Okay. Today we are changing the spark plugs in my old truck. I already got all these spark plugs out and all the cords out because, dude, this thing was wired in the weirdest way. Like, this would be over here, that would also be over here, but that one would be over here. Like, it'd be sending, I don't even know how it ran. And this is dry, so it's been getting wet. And this is doused in oil, so who knows what's going on inside the engine. So we got new spark plugs. Parents came back. Look at the difference. Let me grab my worst one. No. That one's gone. Focus. Yeah, there's a slight discoloration between the two. So that could definitely lead to things not running. Pick that up. Pick that one guy up. Let's just throw them in there. Yeah. This side is the side I was talking about. All these are pretty dry, crusty. Okay, so I'm gonna lube up the threads, put all the spark plugs in, and then I will show y'all the wiring, how it's supposed to be. Well, how it's supposed to be, sorry. Yep. Okay, so this is the last spark plug going in, but I thought I'd just show you how I'm doing this. So first, I have my spark plug app, and I'm making sure that it's set to the right thing. So that's like 4.5, and it's supposed to be like 3.5, 0.035 to be exact. But how I do it is I just find something to bend the prong a little bit, and when it bends, you measure it again, and if it's like too small, like how this is extremely small, you just okay, so, and then you just kind of bend it around and widen the gap until it can fit comfortably around 3.5. Wow, I got lucky. Okay, so then after that, you don't have to, but I'm putting anti-seize, and I just squeeze a little bit on the spark plug. Not a lot, because this stuff spreads. That was too much, but and then I just take my finger and kind of spin the spark plug onto the anti-seize and kind of get it in all the threads. So I'm like, that's fine. I wish I had a rag. My fingers are dirty. Then I just put the spark plug in. I already did that one because that one was hard. I don't know the torque spec for any of these, so I just kind of go until I, think it's fine. All these are probably tight enough to hit the pistons or something crazy. I guess there's only one way to find out. Alright, so once I got it in there a little bit, then you can start screwing it in there. and then just kind of, yeah, that's fine. Okay, now that all of these are set up, let me show you how this is supposed to be wired. Okay, so this is number 1, so it's going to go to spark plug 1. So they count the spark plugs from the front and back, starting from the passenger. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ow! God, dang, that hurt. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have a wiring diagram pulled up just to help me, and then, like, you can just look this up and then see where the wires lead, so you don't get anything mixed up, which I don't know how they had it running and mixed up. It's crazy. But I'll attach those wires and then we'll turn the key and then see if it starts. Okay, get everything wired up. Everything is going to their designated spark plug. That's how the internet said to do it, so if this doesn't work or if it does something crazy, hey, it's getting put on YouTube. So just clean up this area and let's see if it wants to work. Please don't explode. Yeah. Alright. Of course, it don't want to work, and I have absolutely no clue why. I'm just gonna do some diagnosis stuff, big smart stuff, and I'll let you know why things aren't working like they should be. It's fine. It's a Ford. Ah! Okay, I found a different wiring diagram. I couldn't confirm if it was true or not, but let's see if it works. I rewired it. No. No, it doesn't. That was horrifying. I'll try again. Why can't some guy on YouTube be like, this is exactly how you're supposed to do it, and then shit. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to be that guy. Never mind. I know exactly what I'm doing. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Okay. Number 1 and number... Where did number 2 go? Number 2. These are wired correctly. The rest, I don't even know about. So I'm gonna... My last resort is pulling footage from when I had the car running and just staring at that and seeing where all the wires go. Yep. Okay, I got it working. You wanna see it run? Of course you do. I pretty much looked at old footage of my car working and copied the wiring. Yeah! Runs a lot better too. Well, that'll conclude this video. Y'all are welcome for this masterpiece of YouTube material. I'd be surprised if you're watching this video. There's thousands of other better people than me. Oh, good night, fellas.